In this part, we are going to talk about the decorators. And for example, we have the hellos, and we have the function which is print hello. And now we want to actually add some more functions. For example, we want to print before hello function this word before and also after this print hello. And because we just want to temporarily extend this behavior, and maybe we don't want this function later, and we just want to switch off these functions. And in this situation, this is not good to add directly to the functions, and we just want to add a decorator to switch on and switch off the new functions. So for example, we have a new function called hello decorators, and then we have the inside it we have a wrapper function which has print before hello functions, and then we pass these we plan to pass a functions at here and execute the functions, and then after it executes these functions, we will print after the hello functions, and then we will return the wrapper functions. And then in the next line, we can see we have the decorated hello is equal to hello decorator, and then we pass the hello functions inside these hello decorators. And by passing the hello as an argument and called inside the hello decorators, we have these new functions. And then if we execute this function, we will see the before hello functions at here appear first, and then it will print out the hello, and after that we will print out the hello functions. And then in the next line, we can see the hello function is like this, and it is much easier by using the decorator syntax. And then instead of using this complicated method to add the decorators, and actually this is much easier by using the decorator syntax, is to above the hello functions we add the add, and then add the hello decorator. And then this time if you just execute the hello functions, it will return the before hello functions hello and also the after hello functions. And we can also comment this if we just want to switch off this hello decorator. And now if you execute this function again, you can see we just see the hello. So this is how to use the decorator syntax.